Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zulu. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video, guys. So popular KZN artist Big Zulu has finally decided to respond to damaging allegations, very damaging allegations that we're doing and are currently doing its round on social media, particularly on TikTok and YouTube, that he has sacrificed or Ukuthwala in order to attain wealth and fame. You guys, now apparently in the audio which was shared on TikTok, he talked about that he had a cloth with a snake in exchange for fame and money. He has been sleeping with a snake, Ukuthwala Ngayo. The person was talking about it on TikTok. Well, Big Zulu has finally spoken out and he has rubbished those allegations after an audio of a Zulu man confessing that it's round on TikTok. So Big Zulu went to his Facebook page and rubbished those allegations, and he posted this message which reads as follows. I kunzima Nkabi Nation, some of you here, I have struggled in front of you trying to have a better life, not sleeping day and night, trying to live in all my efforts and what the Creator has given me. My success is full of insults and zondo. Hey, Zulu has a snake. Hey, Zulu will die. They are full of videos on TikTok. They are polluting my name because of my success that the Creator has given me. But anyways, here's what you need to know. Everything that happens to me, it is the will of the Creator. He is the only one who knows where I will end up. All these videos that I'm carrying, I will die. Be free. I'm not afraid, even a small thing. Videos that I am carrying, I will die. Be free. I'm not afraid, even a small thing. When the Creator says the time has come, I'm not afraid. I'm thankful for everything to the Creator and the plans He has done for me to achieve my dreams and be able helping other people succeed too. I'm grateful to Nkabi Nation for always being with me through hardships and success. Thank you, Jesus, very much. One love. Jealousy is the inheritance of dogs. Well, there you have it, you guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section, and of course do make sure that you're subscribed if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this video. I will definitely and surely be seeing you. Bye.